This is the baby bullshad. The Triton Mike buccas, in collaboration with Catchco. It's the 3.75. It was right at $15 up there at the Guggen HQ. This is what that bad boy looks like. Go ahead and get her right on out of the box. Put you on here. Well, that box is made something really special. There we go. Oh, came right up out of the mold. Well, most of the segmented baits I have are put together with some type of cloth. But these rods going through there, that seems pretty tough. I mean, I'm really, boy, as sick as that would have made me be to spend $15 and then break the thing, I really just gave her a go. But it's, I love when the cars drive by. It makes me feel so good. But we're going to keep on kicking with this. But the movement seems really good. The color is nice. I mean, it's really well made. What really is awesome to me, though, is this tail. Now, see that? That thing is like a paintbrush. It's really neat. I think it's really cool. $15. It seems like it's alright. I mean, split rings, I don't know. Seems pretty tough. Oh, and I was just about to tell you I'm going to test the hooks, but I did that anyway. That's my style. Oh, yeah. They're real good. Oh, they're pretty strong. I got a pretty good grip on those, and I'm just flexing them. Well, I'm going to tell you what. Sort of Triton Mike bucca, baby bullshad, seems to be pretty legit. It is definitely a lot different than my other swim baits. The eyes seem really made good. They're in there good. The nose hook seems good. Alright, well, let's tie this sucker on and see if we can't do something. Alright, we got it tied on, rigged up. See what it looks like. Got a nice swim to it. Give it a good enough jerk. You look at that. It does like a 180 turn. Well, that's pretty cool. Oh, I got bluegill looking at it right now. Well, it swims pretty smooth. Looks real nice in the water. Let's check it out again. Sinks pretty slowly. Over here just playing with these bluegill. Oh, a bass has seen it now. Alright, well, let's see what happens. Alright, y'all. I walked down here a ways. I definitely went beyond. As you can see, there is water in my boot. But it is so worth it for what I just stepped into. This is a mighty honey hole. And this is where I'm going to catch a good bass right on the bullshad. Alright, we're already done back up. I'm going to see if I can't catch that other one. I know I got a couple buddies that I need to bring out here, see if they want some of these catfish that are swimming around. Quite a bit of carp too, but man, it's a freaking honey hole. My favorite way to fish. Right on the side of the road, underneath the bridge. I'm so glad I found this place the other day. The bluegill chasing it in. That bait swims like crazy, don't it? Made that bass pound me pretty good a while ago. That's how you be a ninja in the water right there. All that damn noise. Oh God. There's a little baby bass for me. Oh, here goes some bluegill bedding. Try to stay away from their beds. I don't know if I can see those or not. Oh Lord. That's what I like, a spider web in the face. Oh, sick. I think I can see one right over there, but I want to get in closer. Oh gosh. Well, that ain't what I was going for. But look at that gorgeous thing. It's really pretty. Oh, you got me, little booger. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, y'all, that was water that y'all just heard pour out of my boot as I squatted down. Oh, got me all boogered up. Alright, let's toss up. Y'all see those catfish schooling? He's got me up on a log. He's in the tree. Oh, he got off. No, he didn't. He's running at me. Oh, there's another one chasing it in, too. There's two of them on him. Oh. Gotcha. Yep. That is a thing of beauty. We're going to go ahead and get us a good picture. Okay, that's what happened. Wow, that's a good one. Oh boy, I got it. It is in there too. There we go. Well, that was a quick release. There he goes. And that, folks, is apparently how you catch that with the little baby bullshad. I'm talking about he knocked the hell out of it. Yeah, buddy.